Looking for a non-alcoholic wine cocktail that's perfect for spring and summer? Well, keep watching because today I'm going to make the Cranberry Sangria. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a non-alcoholic wine cocktail. It is a Cranberry Sangria, so it's perfect for spring, summer, pretty much any time of the year. For those of you that are abstaining from alcohol, you're pregnant, designated driver, whatever your circumstance is, but you still want to be interactive with everybody else and have a great time. Now this is really simple and easy to make. It is built in a wine glass. So the first thing that I do is just add some ice to that wine glass. Then we're going to add a little bit of fruit. First up, just one squeeze of lime juice. Second up, couple wedges or squeezed wedges of orange as well. It really is important to squeeze it because we want that fruit to be in the cocktail. All right, next up we're going to use, I've got the plus and minus 0 alcohol Pinot Noir. This is a very, very tasty non-alcoholic wine. I was very surprised when we got the bottle sent to us, and it works really well in this cocktail. So 150 mils. Next up, 60 mils of cranberry juice. And that's it, guys. Super easy to make. We'll give it a nice stir just to interact that cranberry with the non-alc Pinot Noir. And there is your Cranberry Sangria. Going to give it a try. Looks fantastic. Yum. That Pinot Noir works really well with the cranberry. The nice little bit of citrus there too really lifts up the flavour of the cocktail. That's perfect. So guys, if you want to see more videos with non-alcoholic wines, we've got a bunch of them coming up on the channel. Please subscribe, hit that bell to get notified, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.